Good morning, kindergartners. I hope you're having a great Wednesday morning so far. I'm excited to start the day with you. So let's go ahead and start out with our morning message. Are you ready? Read with me. Good morning, kindergarten rock stars. Today is Wednesday, December 16th, 2020. We are so happy you are watching today. Gingy is going to Guatemala. I'm excited to learn about that country. So we'll make sure you get a chance to watch the video and see all the neat things that are in Guatemala. The food, the culture, the clothing. So it's super exciting to see what different cultures celebrate and do. All right, let's read these sentences. These are all words that you can either sound out or you know because they're sight words. All right, here's the first sentence. The cat can go to Dad. Let's read it again. The cat can go to Dad. Good job. All right, let's read the next sentence. Can I see Miss Pam? Do you see that's a question? There's a question mark there. Let's read it one more time. Can I see Miss Pam? Wonderful. All right, let's sound these words out. Remember, we have to push up each sound and then blend it. Here we go. Nap, nap, nap. It, fit, fit. Pat, pat, pat. At, fat, fat. Good job, guys. All right, love Mrs. Cool and Miss Pam. All right, let's keep going through our morning message. We're still working on the letter P, the p sound, and we'll get to do some of that during our individual Zooms time today. So P for police, P for pancakes, P for pineapple, P for pig. Wonderful. All right, let's count to 60. Are you guys ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Great job. All right, we're counting down, starting at, 20. Whoops, that's not what I wanted to bring. I wanted to bring the arrow. All right, here we go. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Blast off! Fabulous job. All right, we're making patterns again. So I think I'm going to do light, wreath, present. Okay, light, wreath, present. ABC. Light, wreath, present. Then we do it again. Light, wreath, present. Good job. Okay, wonderful, boys and girls. All right, let's take a look at our sight words. Let's say them together. Brown, brown. Black, black. Orange, orange. Red, red. Gray, excuse me, gray. Am, blue, blue. At, can, go, is, like, see, see. Me, me. Two, two. The, he, dad, dad. Fabulous job. All right, for our activities, we got some fun ones today. So the first thing you're going to do is you're adding with a 10 frame. So you get to put how many hats and how many different kinds of hats, and then you get to make your problem, your addition problem. So you're going to put them in the 10 frame, and then you are going to show me the equation that you made. All right, there's 4 different pages, so make sure you do all 4, and then make sure you send it to us. Okay, the next thing is called candy cane word building. So in the picture, there is a little picture, okay, in the bucket, and you have to make that word with the candy canes. And the candy canes have all the letters you need to make that word. For example, this is a hat, so I would like to break that down. Hat. So the first candy cane has to be h. What letter makes the H? H does, so you'd put the H. And then you figure the next one, a. What makes the a? The A. And then for the last candy cane, t. What letter are you going to need at the very end of hat? The T. H-A-T. All right? And then there's 12 different pictures that I want you to do. So make sure you do all of them and then send them to me. All right? Wonderful. And then we've done this a couple different times, but you're matching uppercase and lowercase, so the letters, all right? And then I want you to read them after you're done, okay? So I would like you to do it this way. A, B, C, K, okay? So I want you to tell me the letter and the sound when you read it to me, or read it on Seesaw, okay? When you record yourself. All right, for videos, we have the math lesson, 6.5, our handwriting. Then I'll put 2 songs on for both of our sight words, dad and he. There's also going to be a video of Gingy traveling to Guatemala, so enjoy that. And then we'll be doing the green sight word sheet, he and dad. We've done those many times, so I didn't make a video of it this time. So it's 2-sided. I had a picture of it already on the feed of the things that were the materials you needed for today. So check that out. And there's always practice your guided reading book that you started with Miss Pam yesterday. So My Cat or Things That Move. All right, depending on which guided reading book you have, practice that. And we'll practice that during our individual Zooms also. Speaking of individual Zooms, you will do some individual Zooms with Mrs. Cool today. So it's going to be a little different. You're going to be with Mrs. Cool. We're going to do a little bit of reading testing, and then we're going to go over your book, and then we're going to go over some phonics work for the letter P. All right? So, and if we get a little bit of time, hopefully some addition also. So be sure to make your Zoom if you are a Wednesday individual Zoom person. And that is on the feed already, the link. I'm trying to think if I have. So these are the friends that are that Zoom with Mrs. Cool today. Neymar, Shania, Nelvin, Eva, Raina, Sophia, Roslyn, Gabby, and Lexi. Okay, you all Zoom with me today. All right, and the other friends will Zoom with me tomorrow. All right, boys and girls, I'm gonna let you head out. Have a wonderful day.